Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube, and I am here with an unboxing. This is a Goodwill Blue Box. It is a women's mixed clothing box. I paid $24.99, and it's supposed to have 10 to 12 items of pre-owned, gently used clothing inside. I'm already looking at this box and I'm like, what could be in here? It's really not that big. I have some older videos up on the channel. I have lots of unboxing videos because I love a good mystery box, but I have some older Blue Box unboxing videos up on the channel from a while back, and I swear they came in these big huge boxes. So I look at this little box and I'm like, how could there be anything good in here? But I got it because it's still stay at home here in Northern California where I live. None of my thrift stores are open. I'm filming this on July 3rd, 2020. Most people are back to shopping at the thrift stores, even the Goodwill Outlet the bins, but not me. My places are not open yet, so I'm still primarily sourcing online, and it's such a good deal. It ends up being like $2 or $3 per item, which is pretty cheap cost of goods, especially for someone like me who lives in Northern California where it's expensive. So if you happen to be new to the channel, hi and welcome. I'm Quenby. I'm a part-time reseller. I've been selling for 9 years on eBay and 2 years on Poshmark. I sell primarily clothing, so on the channel you'll see a lot of thrift store hauls and vlogs, a lot of mystery unboxings. I really love a good mystery box, even though they are a risk. I've got some really great unboxings like this one up on the channel, and I've been doing really well with my boxes, so fingers crossed this is a good box too. Please consider subscribing and turning on the little bell next to the subscribe button. That way when I go live, like I do every Friday at 5 Pacific on the channel, and I do some pop-ups, you'll get a notification and you can join our community. We have so many amazing people here on the channel. You're gonna make reseller friends. We all get together at the live shows and talk and ask questions and support each other, and we wanna have you. So let's get into the box. Okay, I'm just gonna pop this open. I have not opened it at all yet. I have another big box sitting here from Shopgoodwill online, which I've been using a lot to get inventory. I love Goodwill online. It's shopgoodwill.com. So I have a big lot of sweaters here that I have to open up. Here's what it looks like. Looks like some Christmassy kind of thing. You never know what you're gonna get in these boxes. They're always a risk. You may see some unboxings and you're like, wow, they got a really good box. You may see some that are total duds, so just manage your expectations. I've gotten both. I've been trying to get one of these boxes. You got, okay, here's one of my items. Yes, some Christmas socks, at least they're new with tag. I don't know where they're from, but they retailed for $4.99 from Joann's stores. I wonder if this is going to count as one of my items. We shall see. Item number 1. Maybe I'll make a little pile and we can count. But I'd been trying to get one of these boxes, you guys, the whole time during stay at home. But every time I've gone onto the site to order one of these boxes, they would sell out while the boxes were in my cart. So I just got so frustrated I stopped. And then I don't know what this is. Do you guys recognize that logo there? This is some sort of fitness top. Okay, so this, I thought it was one of those Lululemon Run Swiftly tops. See how it's like a fitted athletic top? But it is not, and I don't recognize that logo. If you know anything about any of this stuff, leave it in the comments so we can learn. Orange Theory. So I have like a friend who goes to Orange Theory Fitness. I wonder if they have their own branded stuff and if you can sell it, because it says Orange Theory. That must be what it is. I don't know if you can sell that stuff. I've had on eBay listings removed, and it was the one time I did, it was because it was Zumba Fitness, you know, that Zumba Fitness wear. This next item looks super cute but very teeny. Like, I don't know what size they could be. They're little shorts, kind of made out of sweatpant material with stripes, and they're Lush. Lush is a juniors brand. I don't know where it's sold. It could be Nordstrom Rack or somewhere, but these are a size small. They're super cute. but I can imagine maybe I can resell those for like 10 bucks or something like that. So we have Orange Theory fitness top, Christmas socks, and less shorts. Hopefully there'll be something good in here. I love getting mystery boxes just for the fun of it, but I always am hoping that there's some stuff I can flip for profit on eBay and Poshmark. This is Banana Republic, which that sells okay for me. So women's size small, 100% cotton top, and it's kind of like a ribbed baby blue top. It has these cute lace up detail here. I'm just wondering, is this like a super old Banana Republic tag? Sometimes you can look and see the year on here. See the tag? It looks like kind of an older tag, and under here or somewhere there's usually the year and date. Like I think this is, that couldn't be 2002. Anyway, that's kind of cute. It's a crop top. It has that lace up sleeve detail, so somebody might like that. We shall see. That's item number 4 if we're counting those Christmas socks. I've been on such a roll, you guys, with the thread up rescue boxes. I don't know what it is. My theory has been that during stay at home, maybe thredUP got inundated with stuff, and so they were putting more good stuff in boxes, because I've got 3 really great boxes. I have another one downstairs that I need to record soon and get a video up for you guys. But next is by Nikki X Design New York. These do not look like anything good. Do you guys recognize that tag at all? It's like my camera's having a hard time focusing. There we go. These are like plaid skinny pants, stretchy, kind of go down to a straight leg or a pixie. They just don't feel like really high quality, you guys. I don't recognize that brand. They're kind of cute, like you could wear those to work. They've got this nice zipper detail, but they don't look like anything expensive at all, so I'm not sure if I could resell any of this stuff so far. Maybe I deserve a dud box after all my good thredUP boxes. So these are Adidas. So these are a pair of women's like track pants. So navy blue with a white stripe, drawstring waist. These look okay. I don't see any holes or stains or anything like that. I think they say that it could have gentle wear, but it's not supposed to be like really damaged in these boxes, I don't think. These are okay. I think they're cute. I love Adidas as a brand. They've got some more trendier stuff than this. I have a feeling these might be like an older item. Okay, these feel nice, whatever these are, whatever this is. IN Studios San Francisco. This doesn't look great either, you guys. I don't know if that's like vintage. This is a black, just a black sheath dress, maybe for work or something. I like that pop of red lining. I don't know anything about this brand. To me, it almost looks like a vintage tag, which could be good. 100% polyester, size 6, kind of like a knee length. Again, does not seem like the highest quality, but if it was vintage stuff is actually selling okay lately for me and others. It's really kind of popular right now. I like the color and print of whatever this is. This is this is not good, you guys. Not a great box so far. CC Outlaw, no idea what that is. I don't think it's anything. This is a women's kind of like midi length skirt, elastic waist. It's got kind of a, I don't even know what this is, some sort of like ribbon at the hemline. To me, this just looks kind of dated and a little bit cheap, so I don't know if I can do anything with that. Not a great box so far, you guys. I need a few great things because I paid, I think it was $24.99 for 10 to 12 items. Recap at the end, just to review the items we got and see if there's enough in here to even make my 25 bucks back. So far, not so good, to be honest with you guys. These are Adidas. And these are cute. These are just like a little pair of track shorts, like blue mini shorts, athletic, with a hot pink accent stripe. I think that's pretty good. The condition of these is not great though. Like, look at the waistband. So you can see one of these ties is like totally janky, and there's a little bit of pull here. So what I am doing is with some of my fashion stuff, I've got like sometimes I'll lot it up, so I'm putting together like a few Nike size small tank tops and things like this that are like not enough to sell on their own to make enough profit. So I might lot together 3 to 5 things and try and at least get like 25 bucks. That's sometimes what I'll do with my fitness stuff if I don't think I can get my $20 goal. Like I usually have a goal of selling things on eBay or Posh for about $20. That'll take care of the fees, my cost of goods, and a little bit of profit on top. I would love to sell a lot more things for more, but I'm trying to at least make listings that'll go for around like 20 bucks. So what is this? I think this might be a kid's. Like this is a super tiny fleece. It is a kid's. Julie P. Lounge, size 6'7". I didn't know that kid stuff could be in this box because I bought, this is a women's mixed clothing box, not kids, so I think this is a mistake. I might be able to contact them about that. This is cute. I mean, it's like a fleece. It's like a fleece popover, but it's a little kid's, probably like a little boy's, so it's not women's and it's not adults, and I think it's probably a boy's top, so that's like a total error. And last but not least, at least this has a super cute print, whatever it is. Then we'll do a quick review and see whether this was a total dud or not. This is kind of a dud too. I actually really like it, but the brand is Tribal Jeans, which is nothing. I think it might even be like a junior's brand. And but I love the colors. I like a blouse like this, kind of looks like what I have on. This is a Free People top. I like these ones with the big balloon sleeves. This is really pretty. It's light blue and it's got the prettiest floral design on it actually. I might even like just keep this and wear it for work if it would fit me. This is a size small, but I can tell it's just not super high quality. So I'm gonna go out on a limb, you guys, and say this box was pretty much a dud. I got this Jules top that's cute, but not a good brand. The kids fleece top, little boy's top, totally not even supposed to be in the box. This skirt, the Adidas shorts, which might actually be okay. They might be something that would help me make my money back, but they're really not in good shape. These Adidas pants are all right. These blue kind of track pants, I think they might be a little bit dated, but okay. Then I got these Nikki trouser pants, and they're cute, but they just don't feel like high quality to me, not very good. This black dress, which is either vintage or not a very good brand. The Banana Republic top is kind of cute. The rib top with the lace up sleeve. Crop tops are really popular, so I'll put in my title cropped because I'm not sure if people search for the word crop or crop top. I tend to just like put both in there to cover and make sure I have a really good title. These shorts are really cute, but I don't think they're worth much. And this Orange Theory fitness top, I'm not even sure you can sell this stuff online, but it's kind of cute, like a fit. And don't forget the Christmas socks. So all in all, I'm gonna have to say thumbs down on this particular Goodwill Blue Box. I might try them again in the future. I definitely would prefer to get a box that was like size XL or plus size, but this is all they had left, and I thought it was pretty inexpensive. But I think this is gonna be a loss. Like, I don't even think I can make my money back on this one. However, I will continue to buy mystery boxes. I love getting inventory sent right to my door so I don't have to go out there shopping. I can usually get a good price point. These things were just a couple dollars a piece. I love the mystery. It's super fun sharing it with you. But this particular box, not so great. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Hopefully it'll be a better box. And if you want to see a really good box, check out some of these videos of some of my awesome ThredUp rescue boxes. Thanks for watching, guys. I always appreciate it. See you in the next video. Bye.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit it. Punch it.